Quotient rule. Part 7 quotient rule. Sure, quotient means division rule. Suppose y is equal to fx by gx. Fx one function, gx is another function. I have taken fx equal to u, gx equal to v. So y is equal to u by v. This is the quotient rule, division rule, quotient rule. dy by dx equal to v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v by v square. Second into derivative of first minus first into derivative of second by second square. Suppose a question is given. Take for example, y is equal to 2x square plus 3 divided by 5x plus 1. So this is u by v. 2x square plus 3 is equal to u, 5x plus 1 is equal to v. Now you have to find out dy by dx, derivative of y with respect to x. Then you have to remember the formula. It is better to write down the formula again. Then only you have to substitute the value of x and y in the formula. I have taken this one is u, this one is v. Only you have to substitute the values. So v is equal to 5x plus 1. Write down 5x plus 1 into dy by dx, derivative of u. U have taken 2x square plus 3, 2x square plus 3 minus u 2x square plus 3 into derivative of v 5x plus 1 divided by v square 5x plus 1 whole square. Clear? So this is u, this is v, u by v, this is the formula. You have to substitute the value of u and v in the formula. So in place of v, I have written 5x plus 1. Then d by dx is the symbol of derivative. In place of u, I have written 2x square plus 3 minus u into derivative v by v square. Now we have to find out the derivative of these two only. Where d by dx is there, that is derivative of this one, derivative of this one. Clear? Whatever v is there, you have to write on that one, that is 5x plus 1 into, what is the derivative 2x square, 4x. First rule, power become coefficient, power will be reduced by 1 and derivative of 3 equal to 0 minus 2x square plus 3. Then what is the derivative of 5x? That is 5, derivative of 1 is equal to 0 divided by 5x plus 1 whole square. This is the answer. If you want to take out the bracket, you can take out the bracket. That means you have to multiply 4x to 5x, then 4x to 1, again 5 to 2x square, 5 to 3, then solve this. Clear?